I'm going to pull the fire alarm in the hotel as a prank. Ha 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 ha. Here's the fire alarm switch. Time to pull it. Now I must get out of here before I get caught.
Handball bro, did you see the— Wait a second, was it you that pulled the fire alarm?
Um, 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 yes, it was me.
Bro, why did you do that?
Because it was supposed to be an April Fool's prank.
Handball bro, you know you're not supposed to do that. Now thanks to you, everyone is freaking out. That's it. You're banned at this hotel for 57 weeks. Go home right now while I call your parents.
Oh snap.
Handball bro, we heard you pulled the fire alarm at the hotel, so we're not grounding you.
Oh really?
April Fools. No, we are so mad that you pulled the fire alarm at the hotel and got banned for 57 weeks. That's it, you're grounded until May comes.
Go upstairs to your room right now. Or at least you will be sent to jail.